Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Rotten Russ, and you're watching Rotten Metal Garage. Alright, so now I've went ahead and painted the valve covers, and now I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut it out where you see, and I'm going to use this to box in that right there. So now I'm gonna cut it away and get ready to weld it in. Alright, there it is, all cut out. Now I have a box, block all that off, so let's go ahead and weld that up. Alright, so now that's all tacked in, pretty solid, ain't going nowhere. So what I think I'm going to do next is, I'm not going to fill the bottom in quite yet because I need to figure out where my travel is going to be. You can see it kind of sticks out from the wheel arch. Hopefully this doesn't bottom out because that will be a problem. But for the most part, that's in. I also did welded up the rest of the mount here, so that ain't going anywhere. So now I got this bar that can bolt in, stay there. Alright, so for wiring, I've already started. I've got the fuse box all painted up, plugged in, so that's ready to go. Positive is run through. I'm about to put it through the firewall. I have to get the bracket that bolts the ABS to the fuse block. There's the plug there. Then I have the wheel sensors on both sides plugged in. And then obviously I won't know what else goes where until I get the motor and all that. The problem is, you can see that some of the harness is just pretty bad. So what I'm gonna do is, there's a place pretty close down the street tomorrow. I'm gonna go get some more electrical wire. They're only like $1, so I'll probably get like 5 of them. But I need to start re-taping a lot of this stuff back up. But I could do all that. Oh, and just so you know, the motor is now paid for. I'm just waiting for the guy to call me to come and get it. So once I get that, start painting it, put the transmission on, start putting it in, see where the tower sits, and then I'll probably end up pulling it back out, welding it up. But yeah, now let's see what I got going with the valve covers. Boom, there it is. I use this VHT engine, metallic, high temperature, so I don't have to worry about it not handling the heat. And then as far as the heads and the block, they're going to be the same color as the body, which is this very beautiful blue. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Let's see what else I'm gonna get done tonight. If you guys are wondering what my day is consisting of, it is now starting to rewire the harness, and apparently I got a new buddy outside. Have no idea where he came from, but he won't go away. What's up, little buddy? So, but yeah, put you down here, and I'm gonna keep on wiring. Come on, bud. All right, just as a quick cap, I got maybe 80% of the wire harness wired up. Went through 3 things of tape. Obviously I didn't film any of it because it's just tedious, and I doubt y'all even want to see that. But the good thing is I have everything but what I still need to figure out that needs to get plugged in, tucked. So the inside harness is now connected to the outside harness. Still have some slight tucking to do, but I need to figure out like what that white connector, yellow connector go to. I believe those are for the control unit, AC control, which I will not be using. That's the radio plugs, which I am going to try to use the factory radio. So next, what I think I'm going to do is figure out how I'm going to get that either in there or maybe up a little higher in the actual dash part itself. But as of for now, that's going to wrap this video up. Yeah. It's going to wrap it up, guys. Stay tuned. Oh, and I also painted the inside of the fenders and started welding that up. Obviously, it's all dookied on that side, so I got some fixing to do. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Doing what I can given the time that I got. So stay tuned. We'll get some more of this stuff knocked out. Yup.